In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to record refunds in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. If you use QuickBooks Payments, open the original invoice or sales receipt, then select the link payment. Click More, then choose Refund. QuickBooks will automatically create a refund receipt using the details from the original transaction. Review the information, then click Save and Send if you'd like to email the refund receipt to your customer or simply save it. If the customer paid using another payment method, click plus New and select Refund Receipt. Enter the customer's name, the refund date, the method you used to return the money, and the bank account the refund came from. Then add the product or service being refunded and the refund amount. If the original sale included sales tax, QuickBooks will automatically adjust your sales tax records as well. Keep in mind that if you use an external payment processor such as PayPal or Stripe, you will also need to process a refund through that service in addition to recording it in QuickBooks. After saving the refund receipt, QuickBooks will automatically match the refund with the transaction downloaded from your bank or credit card account once it clears. Simply confirm the match to keep your books accurate and avoid duplicate entries. And that's how to record a customer refund in QuickBooks Online. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.